Hello there, the recovery guru here. Hope all is well. Today, on our older Dell laptop here, we got a notification that it would like to do a Windows update. If you don't have backup of your data and you don't want Windows to screw up your machine when it does the Windows update and potentially failing to do it successfully, we always recommend creating a restore point. So here's how you do it in Windows 10. Windows 11 is similar. So you click here and you type in create a restore point, and it's going to start populating with the information that you need. So click here and it's going to pop up with a menu. If it's not configured already, click on configure and follow the steps for the size and so on. Okay, once that's done, all you got to do is go here, create, and type in a name for the restore point. Typically, what we like to do is use the date before we do the Windows update. So in this case is November 28th. So that's what I'm gonna type in here. So I'm gonna type in November 28th, and I like to type in something that is meaningful, like stable, like the system is stable, something like that. And then click on create, and the system is going to create the restore point. Wait a few minutes. Sometimes if you have a lot of information or things of that nature, where the machine is like popular with a lot of stuff, it may take a little longer over time, but just be patient. It shouldn't take that long. Typically it's a few seconds, maybe a couple minutes. Okay, so it's gonna prompt with the restore point was created successfully. Close and click OK, and that's it. Now, if Windows somehow messes up the operating system, then you can go back into Windows settings by booting to the recovery partition, and there's going to be an option to restore to a previous point where the machine was functioning correctly. So you'll go back and select that November 28th stable restore point that we just created, and then the machine reverts back to its normal condition. This happens to a lot of people who go through with updates, Windows updates, and then the Windows update messes up their machine and is no longer booting. It's a big problem. So we wanted to show you a way that you can prevent that from happening. If that happens to you and you need help with data recovery service, just go to this website here and click on this blue button.